Namaskar and welcome to Linux Fundamentals. In the last video we talked about various editors. In this video I will introduce you to the VI editor. VI editor is one of the most popular and default editors that you get with Linux. You install any flavor of Linux and VI editor is there. So VI editor is available in many versions and all the versions are very much similar to work with. So VI editor is basically a command line editor where you can use certain commands to edit your files, and also you can interactively edit your files. So there are many options and many commands that help you interact with your file. So VI editor was developed by Bill Joy in 1976 when he was a student at University of California. So he developed this command, and later on there were many authors who modified the command, who modified this editor. So he was the first to develop this editor, and there were later on many modifications in this editor, and many authors modified this editor, and modified or improved editors are also known as Vim editor. So to start with VI editor, we can use the command VI on the command prompt and the name of the file. If you don't provide the name of the file, then the VI editor will open directly. You can simply type VI and open the editor, or you can type VI file name and open the editor with the file name that you provide. So VI editor works basically in three modes. So when you start with VI editor, the first mode that you see is the command mode. So command mode is the mode where where the VI editor is ready to accept the commands. So in VI editor there are many commands that you need to use when you are editing a file. So from the command mode, if you want to enter into the insert mode, like if you want to enter your data into your file, then you need to press one of the editing commands so that you can edit your command, or you can insert the data into your file. So from the command mode you can see if you want to enter the input modes, there are various set of commands. So for example, small I, capital I, small a, capital A. We'll be talking about these commands in coming slides. So these are the commands. The moment you type one of these keywords, one of these characters, you will see that you will be entering into an input mode, and in the input mode you can enter your data in your file. So if you want to come out of the input mode, you can simply press escape and you are back into the command mode. So you can come back to the command mode, and from there again you can fire some other commands. Now from the command mode, now once you enter the data into your file, then you need to save your file. So from the command mode you can execute the commands that will allow you to save your file, quit from the VI editor, or you can copy a file, or you can save a file with some other name. So all those commands are given in the another mode, that is a third mode that you enter. That is what is the mode where you can execute the command. So it is also known as execute mode. So the execute mode allows you to execute the commands dealing with your file, so that like saving your file, saving and quitting your file, or you want to save the file with some other name, so save as. So there are many commands that you can execute in the execute mode. Again, if you want to come out from the execute mode, you can simply press the enter key after entering the command. Say for example, I want to save my file. So :W, this is the command to save your file. The moment you type :W, you will be entering to the execute mode. You will be entering to the execute mode, and once you press the enter key after typing the command, you will come back to the command mode. So this is how the VI editor works in three modes. These are the three modes of VI editor. So in the next video I will demonstrate you the VI editor and see how to work in these three modes.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section. and also encourage us by clicking on the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos uploaded on our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.